Catalysts to awaken the Kundalini Shakti, Kundalini energy. There are various catalysts which help a guru to awaken the Kundalini Shakti energy in a person. When the Kundalini Shakti energy is aroused, a man becomes very powerful. Kundalini Shakti is a dormant energy which lies at the base of the spinal cord. The person who practices this not only becomes very powerful but at the same time remains humble all around. Now we shall see the various catalysts which help the Guru to awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the energy. 1. By birth. If the parents are practicing Kundalini Yoga or Tapas Yoga, the child born will be at the higher consciousness. The child may be a prodigy or an omnipotent being. The child born like this has a very clear foresight of every occurrence. They are very highly philosophical and they are detached in the normal worldly activities. They have a purpose in their life. These children are very rare. To have a good child with Kundalini awaken, you and your spouse should be very good as well as spiritual in life. At the right time, a guru comes searching to these children to guide them. 2. Mantra. Another form, another catalyst which helps the guru to awaken the Kundalini Shakti energy is to keep uttering and reciting any mantra from the Vedas, Upanishad, or uttering the name of any god whom you have faith. This is a long process. These people who utter mantra do not get detached in the world. 3. Tapas. This is possible with self discipline, developing good habits. You have to take up good habits and good ways to deal with the solving the problems in the day-to-day life. In this way, you get rid of your bad habits. They disappear without your knowledge. This may even be called as Raja Yoga. This consists of Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Psychology Yoga. Where Bhakti Yoga ends, Raja Yoga begins. 4. Pranayama. This helps you to improve your physical fitness. This regular practice of pranayama acts as a catalyst to awaken your Kundalini energy Shakti by the Guru, the Master. Many people practice pranayama, but I have not come across any practitioners of pranayama who got the Kundalini Shakti, the final, the Guru touch. Although one may practice reciting mantras or practicing pranayama or by birth have the Kundalini aroused, one needs a Guru to rise up to the stage of optimum level in the meditation. In Tamil, there's a proverb which says, Vitta Korai Totta Korai. The meaning is what you left is something which was touched by you in the previous birth. This proverb is related to Kundalini Shakti only. You practice Kundalini Yoga in the previous birth, so now you have come down to earth to practice it once again. There is another proverb in Tamil. தொட்டால் ஒழிய சுட்டு போட்டாலும் வராது. The meaning is unless touched by the Guru, it is not possible to awaken the Kundalini Shakti even if the body itself is totally burnt. By birth, one might have the Kundalini awakened. One may recite mantras regularly. One might practice Hatha Yoga, Prana Yoga, or Kriya Yoga, and so on. But unless otherwise, the Guru touches you, Kundalini energy at the base of the spinal cord, and brings it to your third eye, the place in between the eyebrows, the Kundalini energy cannot be awakened. So go in search of a Guru and get your Kundalini Shakti aroused. When the time comes, the student is prepared. When the student is prepared, the Guru comes. I was initiated into Kundalini Yoga meditation in the year 1973 by Guruji C.K. Sivaramakrishnan. He spent his last days in his ashram in Mahabalipuram, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He attained Samadhi on 22nd December 1984. After his Samadhi, Guruji Tabavan started teaching and initiating students into Kundalini Yoga meditation. He attained Samadhi on 24th March 2011. I teach and initiate students into Kundalini Yoga meditation for those who approach me. But it is a pity that many of the disciples of Guruji CKS and Tabavan, in spite of having 30 years of practice of Kundalini Yoga, do not even make any attempts to teach and initiate anyone into the practice of Kundalini Yoga. They do not want to share their meditation yoga power. If you like, another lamp with one lamp, both the lamps will burn. The place will look more brighter. The first lamp does not lose its brightness or gets diminished. Many disciples of Guruji CKS in Tapovan cannot understand this. They have become selfish. They do not want to share or teach Kundalini meditation to anyone. They are all cowards. They have invited the curse of Guruji CKS and Guruji Tapovan. They have all lost their physical health and fitness. They have thus become stupids, dummy, and duffers in the society.